hindi ko maipaglaban ang katarungan.
Sa isang mong naintindihan ko na maaaring hindi laging pumanig sa inyong hustisya. Pero hindi naman po ibig sabihin na hindi pumapanig ang hustisya sa tama. Pero mali ho ang paraan ng pagkuha ng hustisya. Nakatunayan naman sa korte. Hindi sinasadya ng dahil mapatay ang kapatid. Sa totoo nga ako kayo nagpapalala sa kanya. Dinadagdagan niyo pa yun dahil sa ginawa niyo.
Swerte tayo dahil makamakilit ang kanyang pamilya sa mga pagkakantang ginawa niya.
Buti nga tapos niyo nakakahilig pa kami.
Tulungan mo ang pumatay sa kapatid ko.
Kaya Diana, ang mahalaga,
Wala, di siya nagtino. Wala.
balik sa buhay mo.
Tatugan na na. Isayo-sayo.
Kasama po ako sa tatlong tala ng mga bata awardees.
Tingnan niyo na naman si Lord. Ano? Ang galing! Pagkatapos ng mga nakakatakot na bagay, binigyan ka ng kanya magandang regalo. I can't accept that.
Dahil seryoso ba kayo ng board sa taong binigyan niya ng award? Sila left not siya. Ito pala nagtasa kay Leo. Anong meron? Hindi naman sila magaling niya. You know what? You should compare it.
Bakit ba? Sino ka ba? Kilala ba kita? Far away.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG at nubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Bata, ano?
Hayaan mo lang git-git. Basta.
At sa mga nakikinig sa amin sa
Lubat nga ni git-git. Naluik sa buhay mo.
salamat.
Hindi ko na i-drink.
Beautiful, strong, the smart, Kylie Padilla. Maraming salamat. Doing good. I am so happy that you made it today. Pero, Yumi, but that's going ahead of the story. Looks so good. Ganda. Kanina we were talking about you. Sabi ko, si Kylie kaya, do you have a daily exercise routine? Yeah.
Yes. I have to at least do some sort of workout, mga 30 to 40 minutes every day.
Ano yun? Ikaw lang ang gumawa or do you
Yes.
fuck?
Parang may mini gym ako sa bahay.
Okay.
Yun lang. Just, there's weights there, jogging, kahit anong feel ko.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Ako meron akong confession. There was a time na akala ko you were going towards the direction of being an action star. Totoo yun. I was watching from afar. You did. Yeah.
Yun talaga yung vision ko sa sarili.
Oh, okay. Kasi yun, baka ano, pinapanood kaibigan ko na. Ay, mo, ito.
Yes.
Kasi, wow, si Kylie parang sumusunod sa mga yakap ng kanyang ama. And I know you were involved. I know they talked to you about it, yung mga wushu, yung arnis, di
Yes.
ba?
Training talaga ako sa Thailand, like I stopped school. Not a good example, but
I remember that. Oo.
so nag-stop ako and I trained there for 3 to 6 months. Ano talaga, warriors training. Kasi gising ka ng 7 a.m., training 2 hours, sleep ulit, and 3 p.m. gising ka ulit, 2 hours ulit training. Tapos, puro, martial arts.
And also because yung sinasabi mo, the vision was you wanted to get into action.
Yeah.
What happened?
Nag-uso tong bad news boy sa habol.
Oh,
Kaya mga habol na.
Diba, warrior ka.
after the warrior training.
After the warrior, pero ang maganda kasi sa amin, open din ako sa idea ng gano'n. Kasi I was very masculine. I was very masculine. Kasi nung makilala ko talagang parang laki. Kasi my dad, I would share everything he loved with us. Video games, martial arts. Tsaka nilubog niya kami na maging strong woman. His idea of a strong woman. And then, ano yun, kung napunta na tayo kanyan.
Yeah, pero bago ko pang pag-anina, was it also because yung pagiging action, pagiging warrior, was it because you wanted your father to be closer to you? You wanted your father to notice you? Your father, may ganon?
Yes! Kasi ako yung pinaka-physically, like, maano talaga ako, I'm very sporty. And that was the only way I could please my dad. Na pag in-affect ko kung bundok na kung tutuwa siya sa akin. Ginawa ko, I was the youngest to climb Kings Canyon in Australia. Yeah, we hiked the whole canyon. And then sinabi nga sa kanya nung guide namin, did you know this is the youngest to ever climb? And I saw my dad, sobrang tuwa niya, really? Anak, narinig mo yun? Oo, natutuwa siya sa akin. So, parang yun yung push sa sarili.
So when you look back, was it easy? Was it difficult to be a daughter of Robin Patinaya?
It wasn't difficult when I wasn't in the lineup. When it was just me, like, okay, tatay ko sa... Tapos nung naging artista na ako, doon siya naging mahirap. Kasi then I could feel the rules, yung mga bawal gawin ko, kailangan dito ka lang. When I was
The expectations.
yes, the expectations were difficult for me to understand. Kasi syempre naman ako tatay ko lang yung everything, a figure, a public figure.
Ano, pero kailan mo nalaman na ang tatay mo ay napakalaking superstar?
Actually, sanay na po kami kasi every time we would fly here,
Yun.
we would experience that ng daming bodyguard, ng daming camera, and we would be introduced.
Right.
We're by the camera.
So alam nyo.
Alam, we had an idea, but I didn't know
Did you
the
like it?
extent. Honest,
Yeah,
answer,
honest.
I was just pushed into it. Hindi ako nagkaroon ng feelings about it until I was much older.
Kasi you could have had a feeling that I want my dad just for us. Pwede ganun eh.
No.
Hindi naman.
I didn't become over-possessive.
Okay, let's go to Anina. What is your fondest memory?
The whole experience of being... Actually, when I started Aminam, I wasn't the most favored of the family. So it took a while for people to get used to me as a woman because Isa did such an amazing job. And I was attacking it differently. But then,
Attacking differently in what sense?
in one sense, I made her more of a warrior. Like talagang fighter siya first.
Ano ba? Talaga yan?
Dinati ng hangin.
Ayun, oo. Brilliant na naman.
My attack is very different. I don't know how to say it, pero iba talaga yung atake ko. More on warrior talaga. And si Direk Martin sabi niya sa akin, use all of what you know in martial arts.
So again, very physical.
Yes, very physical. And then,
Okay, I get it.
my favorite part is, yung unang death niya, yung pinatay siya ni Perena. I had the chance to really show Direk Mark, this is how I see Amina. Maybe we could do something about it. And he wrote scenes for me.
Wow.
Yes, he wrote scenes for me. Oh yes, I think she needs a moment here where she shows the people na nagigising na siya and mag-iiba na siya. She'll take being a queen more seriously. And then yung eksena na nandun si Ruru, I forgot what it's called, pero dun din nabuo yung Ibrahiman. That scene was written especially for me as a
No, what's interesting is the collaboration between you and the group.
Yeah.
Do you remember your actual acting? Can you still do it? I mean, he's a closest
Ay,
to
Ate June in this dress. Pero yung favorite ng mga tao yung gumaganon siya with the sword.
Yun.
Oo.
Right.
I feel like, oo. Kaya naman.
Yung
Yes.
while you're training.
Most of that ako na-choreograph. Yes, most of my fight scenes ako na-choreograph.
So how do you choreograph the fight scene? Halimbawa ako, artista mo, you would tell me, dito ka, gano'n, parang,
I watch them, you know, what their idea is. And
okay.
then I step in.
Parang hindi ka gandahan. Parang hindi ka gandahan.
Martial arts
Oo
dito.
nga, kaya ako na lang. How do you do that? How do you choreograph? You watch them.
Watch them, tapos may siyempre, may nabuo na sila eh. Tapos, gagabihin naman and go, parang hindi naman ganito, ganito na kasi amihan mo, wind siya, so she has to look lighter. Tapos iba yung ka na, like may upgrade dito, and then yung ganun nga, favorite yung din. Yeah.
Because your dad would also choreograph,
Yes,
would also direct scenes.
my dad will take us to set. He'll do this thing, yes. And he'll do this thing, anak, ganito dapat yung forma, kasi in cinema, your moves have to be bigger, pakita mo yung form. I've always had that.
But now, Amelia was there, you're doing Hana in Asawa ng Asawa Ko. Ay, kumusta?
So cute lang. Charot lang. Joke lang, guys. Come on, please. JB.
I wanna go there.
No. Kasi medyo may pagkakabida. And I've always wanted to try.
An offbeat
Yeah.
thing.
Yes.
Oo. Hindi ba, maganda ang storya dahil, di ba?
May ride siya. May ride si Mama. Sa pinaglalaban niya.
Oo.
So, siya yung una.
Kasi ka may backstory din. Kasi ang asawa,
Yes. And may anak sila ni Leon.
and that's the reason why you're going back. Oo. Nag-confrontation na kayo. I'm sorry, I didn't catch it. Nag-confrontation na kayo.
Actually, hindi pa ako lumalabas.
Check.
Hindi pa ako lumalabas.
Very clear.
Yes.
Abangan niyo po ang paglabas.
Hindi pa tomorrow, 30.
That's right. Okay. So, how different is it? Aside from being the first one.
Actually, I just go character-based eh. I just love Hannah for who she is. So, nag-i-enjoy ako.
Ganda
Parang
no,
ako naglalo.
without judgment.
Yes, I love it.
Di ba?
Tsaka gets ko kung ano pinaglalaban niya.
I understand. Mamaya ka baka pwede tayo eksena, di ba? Parang nag-aagawan kami, magpapalit. Tapos ayun, paltan mo yung Jasmine.
Okay.
That would be interesting. That would be interesting. Okay. You know, there's so many things I want to ask you. One time I read a post. I don't know when it was that, or was it a vlog, where you spoke about, rebirth. Yung pagkatapos ng ating failed relationship, parang ako'y pinanganak muli. That's really interesting. Let's talk about it. But before that, let's do fast. Okay. 2 minutes at a time with Kylie Padilla begins now. Sangre Rebelde.
Rebelde!
Immortal.
Immortal.
Stronger, wiser. Prettier or sexier.
God, sexier.
Peace of mind, happy heart.
Okay.
Papa's girl, mama's girl. Namano mo kay Robin.
Kalabad.
Namano mo kay Giselle.
Mapagmahal.
Mas maganda, si Queenie o ikaw?
Ate Queenie.
Turn on mo sa lalaki.
Wisdom.
Turn off.
Bad temper.
Guilty or not guilty? May sinumbong na lalaki kay Robin. Guilty or not guilty? Naging pasaway siya.
No.
Guilty or not guilty? Napaaway sa co-star.
Never.
Guilty or not guilty? Na in love sa katrabaho. Sinabi sa mga kagawa. Guilty or not guilty? It is not an road trip. Date ko sa Chile Gala or Gala. Sino? Oh, suot mo sa Chile Gala. Magkano? Okay. One word. Describe yourself as a mother.
Always going.
Describe yourself as a woman. Single or ready to mingle? Happiness or chocolate? Best time for happiness.
All the time, anytime.
Complete this. I'm proud of you because.
Don't give up on yourself.
Pag tina-tina, igibugos ng tinanak ko, maglog ko sa masira. Hindi makasira sa ko. Parang tawag sa mga. Di ba?
Let's
Ha?
talk more about
Madlog ko.
You also had a
Di
nice
mamunga.
contemplation meditation about motherhood. Lahat ng ito ay pag-uusapan natin.
Paretong sa kung amo nga kuhan sa Singapore, pero sira yung buhok. Okay na.
Ibo-white pa man yun, ibo-white.
I-wipe ka na.
Ano kayo masarap kainin?
Amo na may dito mga tao, pero pag matangkas ano?